John Felici, Bayside Tigers. I mean Security National Mortgage Company. I'm sorry. Get excited whenever I wear this T-shirt. Go Bayside. But hey, that's not what I'm here to talk to you about today. We had some significant changes here recently with the USDA Rural Development Loan Program. USDA is, as a lot of people may or may not know, that is pretty much the only 100% loan where you don't have to put a down payment up. It's insured by the United States Department of Agriculture, kind of like FHA and VA are insured by those entities of the government. But the big difference with the USDA loan is that you have much lower PMI, private mortgage insurance, than FHA. You have a lower funding fee than you do with FHA. And, it's all around, it's a great loan. But one of the things that holds some people back from getting approved for a USDA loan, because you have an income limit, whereas you do not with FHA, VA, and conventional loans. Now, what that means is the USDA loan is broken up into two categories. 1 to 4 family household and 5+. So they say 5 to 8, but 5+. So if you are a 1 to 4 family household, you have a wife, you're a man and a wife, 2 kids, you fall into 1 to 4. Man and a wife with 3 dependents or plus fall into the other category. The second category is what changed most significantly. It's now up over $100,000, meaning that you can make over $100,000 a year and still potentially qualify. You might ask me why I'm burping like that. I just ate, okay? So just I've eaten, I'm leaning forward, I've got a little bit of burps. So just sorry, you're going to have to bear with me. So anyways, you can now make over $100,000 a year and still qualify for the USDA Rural Development Loan. That's been a problem in the past. I mean, the old income limit, it was under $100,000 for the 5 to 8 people. And whenever I talk about household income, this is a subject that a lot of people get confused by because let's just say, for example, that you've got a man and a wife and 2 kids. And the man and the wife, they each make $60,000 apiece. Combined, that's $120,000. But a lot of people will say, well, so that I can stay off or under the income limit, can we just leave my wife off the loan? Well, yeah, you can leave your wife off the loan, but the income limit is observed from a household perspective. Meaning that if your brother and sister live with you in the house and they work, they're factored into the income of the household, even though they may not be on the loan. So these are things that, we take into consideration whenever we pre-qualify, whenever the loan gets underwritten, and whenever it goes to the USDA. We take into consideration the number of dependents on the tax return. Anybody that could be living in the household is a factor for the income limit. But this is going to free up for a lot of people because I've had a lot of people that could not get approved for the USDA Rural Development Loan simply because they made over $100,000 a year. The USDA, they define their mission as, it's a loan designed for low to moderate income families without the means for a down payment. So, it's a great loan program insured by the USDA, no down payment. It's pretty easy to get qualified for. Potentially a USDA loan can go down as low as about a 580 credit score. Some of the better interest rates and less hoops to jump through are going to be when you're at a 640 or greater. But still yet, as long as you've had reasonably good credit within the last couple of years, meaning that if you've had some credit problems in the past, it's not going to hold you up for getting approved for a USDA loan necessarily. You just have to demonstrate that you have things on track now. Whatever happened in the past, it's in the past, and hopefully it's going to stay there. So, hey, everybody, John Felici, Bayside, Security National. Anybody that needs some information on USDA loans or otherwise, feel free to give me a call, 918-630-1991. You can message me on Facebook. This is like my second work email. Or you can email me at jon.f@snmc.com. I'm out of here, guys. Have a great day.